Hey guys, my name is Darrell Addison. I'm a founder and owner of a growing system called Torpedopot, where all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. You never water, you never feed, you only supplement the soil because that's where all the activity takes place. We successfully grow a lot of food. Right now, for our season for our lettuce, we probably grow about 50 pounds of lettuce. We easily pull between 100 to 200 pounds if we wanted to. And we only have 40 planters running. And Swiss chard, and we have some celery behind me, and way back there, we have some other plants that are growing. Beets that are growing, with apple trees that are blossoming. We have fruits such as strawberries that are growing. We have broccoli that's taking off. So we have quite a bit, 3 different types of lettuce that's growing and taking off. But what I want to do today is to sit down and show you the power of Torpedopot. I'm going to sit down and have me a nice little snack and talk. Is that okay? It's one of those times I just want to sit down and talk. Again, Darrell Addison, founder of Torpedopot. So what I'm going to do, I grew these plants. I got 40 plants for 15 bucks. Stuck them in these planters here. And now I've been eating them since I put them in. So in 2 days I was able to eat my plants. Now they've gotten a lot bigger, so I'm coming to harvest. And I want to harvest one with you. Is that okay? So I'm choosing to harvest the red lettuce, this tall red lettuce. This is beautiful. Isn't this gorgeous? Man, this is beautiful. We cut it off. See what just take a look at it. Don't have to take off the older leaves, but I want to take them off. And more importantly, I want you to see how beautiful this is. Isn't that gorgeous? Guys, these are Torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. And all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You see that planter? All you do, a hose goes in the back here, a knob in the front. When you turn that knob, you grow a lot more food. It's called Torpedopot. It's amazing. So I'm going to have this for brunch. Isn't that beautiful? I love the original content of what it looks like. It's just so beautiful. It's like the way food was supposed to be and grow. Look at that. Pull that back, and all of that is you right in there, dude. And it's so beautiful. And it's so fleshy. That's gorgeous. Guys, this is Torpedopots. You take your seeds and your plants, you put them in a planter. The planter has been designed to have a digestive process that causes your food to grow like you've never seen before. Isn't that beautiful? You won't find that anywhere, growing outside in somebody's house. But you find it all the time in Torpedopot. Pounds and pounds of food just sitting here waiting to be eaten by you. It's called Torpedopot. Isn't that beautiful? That's what you want in your body. Stop eating that unholistic stuff thinking that you're getting healthier. You're not. Stop it. Get yourself a Torpedopot and learn to grow your own food, guys. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to sit down and let's talk about it. I'm hungry. Oh, man. So if it's okay with you, I want to sit down outside and eat my food. Is that okay? Maybe we do a little talking together. I like talking. Oh, gosh. So where do we start? I'm going to just start eating from the center first. Is that okay with you guys? Like a banana. Look at this. I stripped the outside out. Guys, these are Torpedopots. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and plants in a planter, and they grow pounds and pounds of food. See that inner stalk right there? I'm going to tear that up first, because that's the baby. That's the most nutritious. That looks the most delicious. All of it is very healthy, but I just want that one first. Let me pull this one off and pop it off. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's what I want in my body. I want that food in my body first. I grew this food, guys. No human intervention at all. You put your seeds in a planter, and it grows your food for you. Don't have to worry about that stuff anymore. Oh, man. So, I don't know what to do with this head. I'm going to put this head right over here for the moment. That's a 16-inch planter. 16-inch planter. I had to show you this. This leaf is so beautiful. Look at that leaf. Isn't that amazing? That leaf is amazing. That's unbelievable. Unbelievably. That's textured. I love that texture in that leaf. That's amazing. I love that texture. It's amazing. Really, really good. I grew that, guys. It's called Torpedopot. And I'm about to eat it. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's talk. I know a lot of people are being laid off, and we're all suffering the crunch. That's why I invented Torpedopot. So you won't have to experience that crunch all of the time. Torpedopot allows you to bounce back and to eat what you need and to enjoy your life. Let's try it now. Okay. The lettuce is so fresh. Unbelievably fresh. If you won't taste anything like this in the store, I guarantee that. This is fresh. Right out of the garden. The lettuce and the dip go so well together. So I know a lot of you are probably saying, I can eat that up in a day. I've got a pound of lettuce in my hand. That whole stalk I just picked, a pound of it. I can't eat all that. I can't eat all this. Torpedopot will feed you for the rest of your life. All natural. Try it. I'm gonna choke to my food. It's the best part. So pure, so healthy. Isn't that beautiful? Torpedopot, man. Grows your food with no human intervention. It's amazing. Mm, mm, mm. Wow, amazing. You and wait a second. No. Couldn't stop eating, sorry. Mm. This was good. Oh boy. Mm. Good. Mm. So good, guys. All right, well, I'm gonna finish up the rest of that tonight. That was good. Mm. Mm. That was really good. That was a good meal. Very good meal. It's good. Well, finish eating now. Time for me to go in and read some of your emails. Torpedopot.com, celery, collard greens, butter crunch lettuce, red tall lettuce, strawberries, Swiss chard, celery, beets, broccoli. That's what we're growing right now. And they're in full season. Come here, girl. And they're doing very, very well. A little kitty cat calling me in the window. It's just time for you to come in. Okay, I'm coming. Come on. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Which one are you? Oh, you have two cats. That's the black cat. But, yeah, it's amazing. All right, I'm going to cut this short and see if I can move on to something else. Thank you for your time. You should know what you can experience and what you can do. That 1 pound of celery that I just ate, I didn't eat all of it. But I ate a little portion, about half of it. A little bit, probably a little bit, yeah, a little less than half. But, and then we have celery. You can pick off and eat anytime you want to. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.